Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today we're looking at a new iPhone 13 Pro case. So this is the Mkeke transparent shockproof protective case. So every year when I get a new iPhone, I get a case that's very similar to this. It doesn't really matter the brand, but this one looked really good this time, mainly because it had a more slim profile than the usual ones. And then the most important thing about it is that it has bumpers on the sides. So you'll see that first off, the case is plastic and it's clear, but the sides are thin, and so it feels good in the hand and it feels very premium, especially for the price. But you'll see it has this raised lip for the screen, and then it has slightly larger edges or bumpers so that if you do drop it, it shouldn't break the screen. And I've been using this kind of case for 3 or 4 years now, and every time I buy very similar cases. And so this one feels great. Definitely check it out in the link below.